Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to open an account on Wells Fargo. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So the first thing you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wellsfargo.com/checking/. So once you do this, you will be redirected to its official website where you can open your account. So once you're on the personal section, all you need to do is get signed in into your Wells Fargo account. So after this, you can get several options of account opening. So as you select one, you need to scroll down and choose any of the account you want to open now. So after choosing, you need to fill in necessary credentials and click on continue. So once you click on the continue option, it will take few minutes to take you to its first step of account opening. So here you need to fill about your personal information and click on continue option. So after this, it will ask for your mailing address and review your form. Then you need to sort out the terms and conditions and fund your account, and then you will have an account on Wells Fargo. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.